How's it going, everybody? How's it going, everybody? We are live and going to be doing the half case in 3 minutes. So, see you guys in 3 minutes.
Love you. Killing me. Alright guys, we're going to get started here. We've got another case up on NicksCon 42020 on eBay. Another half case break, that is.
So be sure to get in on that. That'll be the other half to this case right here. So, tell me you got a knife? Fresh case here, guys. So yeah, we got the other case. We got the other half of this case up on eBay right now too. Nick's Cards 42020. I'll be doing it next Saturday.
Blake Shelton is joining us. I hope that's. I wonder if that's the famous country singer Blake Shelton.
I hope so.
That'd be amazing.
All right, guys, let's get it going. Box number one.
Toronto, Cleveland, and the Red Sox.
Yes.
With the Cincinnati Reds.
Oh.
That's just as red. We got 6 on. 6 on.
Well, I'll do a recap at the end, so if anybody misses it. All right, guys. Got Yu Darvish relic, number to 199, number 51 of 199. Yu Darvish for the Rangers. For the Yankees, Greg Nettles, number 97 of 299. Greg Nettles for the Yankees. And we got a 1 of 1 gold ink for the Pirates. 1 of 1, the Onyx.
Amazing.
For the Pirates, Andrew Lambeau. So there we go. 1 of 1 in the first pack right there.
That was called tonight by
Andrew Lambeau. That was predicted by a psychic.
That is a hard card.
1 of 1 for the Pirates.
Amazing.
And we got, for the Reds, double relic, number to 50, Tony Cingrani, number 11 of 50. We got another one for the Yankees, number 213 of 299, Orlando El Duque Hernandez, the poop.
The El Duke.
The poop. And we got Joe Kelly
Amazing.
for the Cardinals, number 174 of 399.
El Duke.
El Duque, a.k.a. the poop, to those who do not habla español. Box number 3, guys.
Mom, do me a favor, come here.
If you got any multi-teams, I'll do random.org too and get that going. Do it 3 times. Okay, we got a Albert Bell auto, or Albert Bell relic, excuse me, number to 299. Bat relic, and then we got a Taylor Jordan, number 90 of 399. And then we got a clear auto, Bo Jackson for the Royals, number 98 of 99. Bo Jackson for the Royals, the Tier 1 autograph.
Bo Jackson. Oh,
So there that is,
love these clear cards.
the clear.
I really do. They're amazing.
Move on to box number 4.
Big one is on.
Plowing through this half case here. Getting it taken care of. Okay, for the Indians, we got Manny, the Legends, number 20 of 99, Manny Ramirez for the Indians. We got a Dale Murphy, number 15 of 254 for the Braves. We got a Mike Greenwald auto for the Red Sox, number 99 of 299. And Matt Carpenter for the Cardinals, another one for the Cardinals, number 25 of 50. Matt Carpenter. Like I said, I got the other half of this case up on eBay. Nick's Cards for 2020, and that'll be in next Saturday. I'll be doing a recap of this case here right at the end of this, so if you guys missed anything, you can see it there. This one feels like a thickie.
Ooh,
This one feels like a thickie.
we got a thickie.
Oh, we got a Giants relic here for Hunter Pence. And yeah, we got a book card, it looks like.
Oh, we do.
Got a book card.
What's
Hunter
the book
Pence
on,
first.
Fancy.
Number 33 of 254. Dual autograph, Tier 1 relics. Oh, we got another card here. For the Mariners, Brad Miller. Number 67 of 399.
We got a dually.
And then the book. For the Cubs,
The Cubbies.
we got
coming
Andre
up.
Dawson and Billy Williams.
The Cubbies coming up.
Numbered to 10, 7 of 10. Old Andre and Billy for the Cubbies. Getting it. There you go, Cubs. Very nice hit right there. Huge case break right here. Half case. Got a book card, a 1 of 1, and a Bo Jackson clear. My God, yeah. That's brutal. It was also predicted tonight.
A brutal break.
Yeah. All right, guys. Good luck for anybody who hasn't gotten any hits yet. This one feels extra thin, actually. No need. This one feels extra thin. There is a redemption in here.
Woo, redemption.
Well, we got, first off, Dustin Pedroia, number 143 of 254. Dustin Pedroia relic. Then we got Jurickson Profar, number 42 of 50.
Old jerky.
Old jerky, yeah. All fucking beef jerky. And then we got the redemption is the dual Ivan Rodriguez and Juan Gonzalez. And that's for the Texas Rangers right there. Dual autograph. Ivan and Juan.
Nice.
So there you go. Hell of a break tonight.
My God. My Lord.
Brutal cards.
My Lord.
We'll be doing the recap right now.
My Lord.
All right, guys. We got the Pudge and the Wangan. Dual auto. We got Dustin Pedroia, number to 254. We got old Beef Jerky, Jerks and Profar, 42 of 50. Then we got the book card for the Cubs. Very nice. And I'll probably get one of the holders for this one, the hard cases for you before I send this out. Number 7 of 10. The Hawk Andre Dawson and the Killer Billy Williams. Very nice card right there. That's very brutal. We got Brad Miller, number to 399 for the Mariners. Hunter Pence, number to 254 for the Giants. Got a Dale Murphy for the Braves. Matt Carpenter auto for the St. Louis Cardinals. We got Mike Greenwald for the Boston Red Sox, number to 299. We got Manny Ramirez, Legends Relic, number to 99. We got Jordan Taylor, number to 399. We got Bo, the clear Ghost auto, looking like a ghost, number to 99, number 98 of 99. Another Indians relic, Albert Bell, 129 of 299. And then we got El Duque, the Duke, Orlando Hernandez, number 213 of 299. We got Joe Kelly, number 174 of 399. We got ourselves a Tony Cingrani relic, number 11 of 50, dual relic. We got Andrew Lambeau, 1 of 1, gold ink on the black background. I believe it's an Onyx, 1 of 1, Andrew Lambeau for the Pirates. Very nice. Yu Darvish relic, number to 199. And the last one is a Greg Nettles auto, number to 299. So that was the brutal first half there. Hopefully the second half is as good as the first half here. It's up on Nick's Cards 4/20/20. Hopefully everybody will be back for that next weekend. And I hope everybody enjoyed the break and have a good night.
Amazing.
I couldn't have been long in Orlando, though. I was hoping. Still Corey.